Good day and welcome back to my channel, The Queen Phoenix. The pattern in front of you today is called the single rib stitch. It's a beautiful pattern. If you have a look, it's quite thick. What's nice about it is that it's a bit elasticated. It's very quick, bulky, and totally reversible. This is great for cuffs, or the bottom of a sweater, bottom of a jersey, around the neckline. So it's a perfect stitch. Very nice, quick, simple. For this stitch, you will require a multiple of 2 stitches when you work this up. So grab your yarn and hook and let's quickly make this stitch. I'd like to take the opportunity to invite you to subscribe to my channel. This channel is updated weekly with free tutorials and free patterns, just like the one we're doing this morning. In order to do this pattern, don't forget you need a multiple of 2. So I have made 16 chain stitches. And the first thing you're going to do is make 1 double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. And you'll make 1 double crochet right across your row until you get to the end of your chain stitches. 1 double crochet, please. When you get to your end of your row, you'll have 1 row of double crochets. For row 2, you're going to chain 3, which counts as 1 double crochet, and turn your work. You're going to skip the very first stitch because you already have 3 chain there. That's counting as 1 double crochet. Now you're going to work in the front post of your stitch. This is your post, this part of your stitch. You're going to go yarn over from right to left, underneath and back up so that you have your stitch post on your actual hook. Yarn over, pull through, come up, yarn over, go through 2 loops, yarn over, go through the next 2 loops. That is working in the front loop. To work in the back loop, yarn over, again right to left, go into the hole in between your stitches, go back out so that you have your stitch here at the back on your hook, yarn over, and finish off your double crochet. And you're going to continue that until you get to the end of your row. So the next stitch, you'll work in your front loop. The stitch after that, work in your back post. The next stitch, work in the front post. You're going to alternate it just in that manner, front post, back post, until you get to the end of your row. You can see I'm coming up to my last stitch. So this is the last double crochet. Then you have your 3 chain. With that 3 chain, you're going to make 1 double crochet in the 3rd chain. So the one right on top, make 1 double crochet, chain 3. So this is how row 1 looks. This is the back. Turn your work. You're going to repeat row 1. So you will work in the front loop, front post, 1 double crochet, in the 2nd stitch, in the back post, and you can see now that your stitch is to the front. So you will always know to go through the front because your stitch is facing to the front. My next stitch is facing to the back. So I know how I need to go into the back loop. It's one of the easiest ways to know which stitch to do because you can see which direction the post is in. If it's to the back, you do a back loop. You do the back post. And you will continue in this manner until you have your desired length that you require. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. When you try this, you are more than welcome to tag me. Don't forget to share this video, leave a comment, hit subscribe, and have an awesome day crocheting. This is the Queen Phoenix out.